Hello, I'm Michael. I'm from the company LUVO. I show you how to clean the LUVO suppressor. First, you got to release the nut with a delivered key. Keep attention, there's a spring inside, so the monoblock is under tension and you have to hold the nut that it don't jump away. First you remove the monoblock, the spring, and with a plastic bolt you release the closure. Then you have to clean the inside and you need to control that it's clean enough. What is important for the reassembling is that you have the gasket and it's under pressure, so you need to push it down to put it back into the suppressor. After this you put back the spring, the monoblock, and with the nut with the holes in the same direction to the monoblock. The last piece you close with little